Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will learn how we can automate border styling in Excel using Openpyxl. To begin with, first we need to import Openpyxl and create worksheet and workbook object. Let me do that real quick. Since we have to work with the borders, we have to import additional package as well. Let's do that. From Openpyxl.styles import border. First we need to create an border object, and then we can apply it to particular cell or a column or a row, as we have done for other properties in a previous video for a font and pattern fill. Let's define a border here and see what argument it takes. It takes multiple arguments, but most important are these four. So here we can define border of cell on a four side. We can define a left side border, right side border, top border, and bottom border. And this takes side class as an input. So we need to define the side class for each border side. Let's import sides as well. We can import that directly here, call it side. Now let's first define side. Let's see what argument it takes. So it takes side, color, and border style. Most of the time you only need to pass border style and color. So border style has predefined value and you can only use those. Let me show those predefined value to you quickly. You can only use this value in a border style. So for our demo, let's use dash, and we can also add color. This takes hex code, so we need to go back to that website again and select a hex code for particular color. So let's go back all the way down and select reddish color and copy this hex code, and we can directly pass that in our side argument. We can use this particular side for any side. We can use that as a left, bottom, top, and right. I will make this as a top side, and I can directly pass that in my border argument. Let me comment this out. Here I can pass top equal to top and assign a variable to this border. In whichever cell I apply this border, it will give this style of dashed and this color. Let's go back to our Excel sheet real quick. Let's target one of the cell. So let's target this 516, and the location for this cell is B6. I can directly say WS B6, and to apply a border we need to use dot border property, make it equal to the border we define. I can add that here, and since we are making a change in our Excel sheet, we have to send an save command. Let's run our Python file, python borders.py, and we did not get any errors. So let's go back to our Excel sheet, close this one, open this Excel sheet. You can see here this 516 get upper border of red. It's really hard to see, but let me deselect this cell. You can see it. There is a dashed red border for this particular cell. We can define multiple sides and assign those to different cells. So for the same cell, let's define bottom border as well. Let's make border style double and change the color. So I will go to that website and pick any obvious color, make it greenish, copy the hex code, add that in our Python file. Here I can simply add bottom equal to bottom. Now my bottom side is defined and I can add that in my border. If I rerun my Python file, before that let's close our Excel sheet, rerun my Python file here. We did not get any error, so let's check if that pattern doesn't apply, and it did indeed. You can see here for this particular cell B6, the top border is dashed in a red and a bottom border is double and greenish color. That's how you can apply border in Python using Openpyxl. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.